What up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Luke Evan Brooks, and welcome to another edition with Cooking with Luke and Friends. Now, this is a special series that I'm doing. I went to Thailand, and I really got to explore the area. Not just that we're talking about food, but we're talking about the culture. We're talking about the health. We're talking about all the things that people want to know about Thailand. Now, I need you to subscribe. It's important that you subscribe because on this special series, I'm going to be uploading for 30 days content that's gonna really get you energized. So it's very critical that you do that. Now I'm gonna show you the different foods that they have, what I was eating, all that good stuff that you want to know. And I'm gonna keep it real with you. I'm gonna be 100 with you, as they say, so you don't want to miss out. Now the best way to do this is to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the show, and as we say, we're about to get this thing cracking. So watch this. I'm about to show you something. So guys, as we go further into our journey, I was able to interview one of my old friends that visited me in Japan back in 2019, and she actually works at this restaurant as a manager down in Walking Street, so you definitely want to check her out. I will be dropping that location shortly to you. But as you see, I'm touring along, checking out the area of Pattaya, or Pattaya as I call it. And I'm telling you, it's amazing. People out on the street, walking about, having a good time. I think I went out there around 10 o'clock or whatnot. So it's definitely a good place to check out. Now guys, one thing that I am riding on is the bot bus. The bot bus is literally what it costs, 10 baht. Now, you got to be on your P's and Q's. I did have issues when I went out here initially, and people playing like they didn't know English. Now, give or take, you know, that ain't their primary language, but you have people try to take advantage. Like, someone took 40 baht from me working a bot bus, and you know, I'm looking around, so I don't remember that being out here when I was out here for the military back in 2020. And to me, I was just like, are you serious? Like, what's going on? Because I didn't understand what she was saying. I had my recorder on, and I'm like, she charged me 40, and like, what's going on? And I talked to some expats, and they said, no, everything costs you 10. If anything, it may cost you 40 if you're going to another beach, but all here in Pattaya Beach, 10 baht. So make sure you just have correct change, because these guys see you as a foreigner and they gonna try to skim on the side, because it wasn't a tip. You wouldn't give those guys a tip, you know. And I mean, equivalent what she took was probably like $2 or so. So I didn't go high and right and stuff. So just be mindful of that. But when you get on the bot bus takes you to a route, just kind of like a bus route. And when you own that bus will basically take a direction. Now, when I was doing it, I was going down to Walking Street and then leaving from Walking Street from one area. In particular, when I first got to my first hotel in Pattaya, I was doing a lot of walking. I was walking about maybe 5-6 miles a day, and I just wanted to get that workout in again, you know, trying to stay fit or whatnot. It became a little bit more challenging when I had to go further up. When I moved to another place, I thought was the LK Empress, as what Richie Mack recommended me to go to was booked. I went to a Empress Pattaya hotel, which was further up, like 2.7 kilometers up. So that's where the bot bus came into play. Now, there's other areas that I went to, but they all throughout the area, they do a particular route. Now, if you try to ride the whole thing around the loopy-loop, I call it around the whole entire circuit that they have designated for the route, they will ask you, like, where are you trying to go? Because then that I can see where that could be a double feature. Hey, you're just sitting here riding around, you know, having no destination, you know, taking up a seat. But I didn't run into that issue right there, but I did use them quite a bit when I was traveling. And as you see now, a lot of people are using them as well too. They're basically on the truck, got rails, and you got a button kind of like you do on a train or on a bus. You buzz it, they stop everything. They stop the bus or stop the truck. You pay your 10 baht, which I always recommend you have to change. Don't sit there and try to give them 100 baht. That's just my recommendation. If you try to give something high like I did, they try to play games like, that's I don't have no change when they're running routes all the time. So it doesn't matter if you got to give me back my change in coins or whatnot. You have change, so just be mindful of that. But anyway, once I got off the bot bus here, I just walked up to the alley and went to go see my friend. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see what we're talking about.
Why are you trying to fight people? Uh-huh.
What's up, my little shop boy?
Whatever. You got a little tan on you.
So,
What's up?
what's up?
Nothing.
Why you wearing this like an old shirt?
I like this old shirt.
Yeah.
I like it.
Look at that.
It looks good.
By the table. I'm hungry.
You hungry?
Yeah.
I watch you eat.
Oh my god.
Let's get a good table.
Everything you want to eat.
I don't know what you got here.
I will order for you. You want to go smoke session?
Where you got that at? Apparently y'all don't have that here from what I was told.
They do.
Well, people been lying to me then.
They do.
They do? Because I needed
I
that.
know, because they know it.
You know?
I smoke all the time.
I actually thought, what's that?
So you want something healthy?
Yeah.
You want to try this spring roll?
Yeah, I
This
can
is
do
the most
spring.
favorite Thai snack.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay. I do.
Yeah, hot as hell here today.
You know don't try to make me mad. You already know when I'm
No,
mad.
you made your own self mad.
You already see me mad.
Whatever. Oh, you got smoothies.
You want some?
I don't want no beer. I just got finished working out. I literally just got finished. I want to take that pineapple shake. No. You like, come. I'm like, where? Where?
I told you soy trail, and you.
No, you
choose
say
to
soy
have-
6.
No, I say soy trail. Six don't have that.
I
Six
literally.
don't have leg corn. You know what I mean?
That's a street. That's just like you saying, I said come to North Carolina. You'd be like, where fool? Where I'm going to see. That's a big ass
Thailand is
street.
not the same. Don't
You could have
say
said, you should have said the massage. But I used to stay right down the street from here.
So, can I have
I do the spring roll.
you do spring roll?
Yeah, I eat the spring roll for now.
What do you want?
I just want to eat that for right now. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Now I don't get up like last night, that picture I sent you. Is this cucumbers?
No, this is fried rice.
So guys, I know it seems short, but as I say, to be continued. Stay tuned for what I actually ordered and what we actually went down and talked about. This is just the very beginning, guys, and again, I thank you for tuning in. If you feel like this video gave you some valuable knowledge as far as understanding, as far as if you was to go down to Thailand, want to know a way around Pattaya, please go ahead and give me some likes. Feel free to comment down below, and don't forget to hit the bell notification and subscribe. Again, guys, it's important that you subscribe so YouTube can recognize this channel as we continue to let it grow. Again, my name is Mr. Luke Evan Brooks. I'll see you on the other side. Take care now.